So today I'm going to show you a new method where you can make a lot of money with YouTube intros, YouTube outros, and also video ads. So it's very easy to do because I'm going to show you a strategy where you can actually just spend like 5 minutes and actually make a lot of money. You can make $100 a day. You can even make more depending on the amount of intros that you make. Now, you don't need any experience for this. You don't need any skill, because I'm going to show you a strategy where you can do this for free. You can find a strategy that I'm going to show you, and it's going to actually help you to do this really quickly. It's a shortcut that I will be revealing to you, which can help you make a lot of money. So you must know that this is absolutely free. You don't have to spend money on this. You don't have to stress about spending money at all. And what is great about this is that it's available worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are coming from. If you're in America, Australia, Asia, South America, Australia, Europe, Africa, Asia, all the continents, wherever you are, you can get access to this opportunity. And you can do this on your phone, or you can decide to do this on your computer. So the choice is yours. Now, what you need to do is you need to watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain everything step by step. So you want to make sure you don't skip any part of the video, because you might skip an important step, which will result in you not actually making any money. So just take some time and just watch this video. It's not a long video. Just watch it all the way to the end, and you can make a lot of money for yourself. Now, before I show you this strategy, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. Just click that red button. You don't need to pay to subscribe. It would really help me if you subscribed, and turn on all post notifications. That bell, just click on that bell. Turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you can easily be able to watch my videos. So, the website we want to go on to is Fiverr. Now, you might have heard of Fiverr. It's fiverr.com. When you're on Fiverr, you're going to see a few different options over here. There's graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, lifestyle, industries. What you want to do, come and click over here, video and animation. Click on here, video and animation. And you're going to see all different kinds of videos. So we have different categories: wholesale animated explainers, video editing, short video ads, animated GIFs, logo animation, intros and outros, app and website previews, live action explainers, character animation, and so on and so forth. Now, click over here, short video ads. So when you click on short video ads, you're going to see different people are advertising, and they're saying, I will create an engaging video commercial for your business. This one says, I will edit Facebook video ads for Shopify. This one says, I will make a monkey business cinematic video commercial. Now, for example, let's click over here. I will create an engaging video commercial for your business. So let's see what this is all about. So let's click on it and let's watch. Okay, basically, this is just an ad that you can actually use for your business, and everything written in the video you can actually edit. They can edit it based on exactly what you want written for your ad. Now, there are so many different kinds of ads that people will do. Now, for example, if we click back on video and animation over here, and we go onto, we scroll down over here, and we find what is called intros and outros over here. You want to click on that. You're going to see different people are promoting. I'll create cinematic trailer, teaser, brand promo, video for you. I will do YouTube intro, outro, slideshows, promo, logo, animations. So different people are doing different kinds of intros and outros for you, and people will charge you $60, $20, $15, $10, $20, $60. So we're going to take an example of somebody who said, I will make a stunning YouTube intro and outro in 24 hours. So let's click. Okay, as you can see, it's very short and very straight to the point. And it's unknown hustler here, which definitely you can change based on your channel. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually become like one of these people that say, I will create a YouTube intro, or I'll create an ad for you, and you can charge people maybe $50, $60, $20. I'm going to show you the website that they use to actually do this. So you want to go onto FlixPress. It's called flixpress.com. When you're on flixpress.com, you're going to come over here. It says select a template, customize it, download HD video. So here there are a lot of different templates that people use. And let me first show you an example of some templates. Let's check, for example, first you want to click on, for example, ads. You see here there's free plan templates, intro, slideshow, promo, then there's ads. Click on ads, and let's click, for example, this one. So basically, it's something where you can use for like a beauty and a spa type of ad, and you can edit the text shown in the video based on what you want to say. Your product photo, your final title here, your site. So basically you get the point. So these are all different kinds of ads that you can actually use, and they're actually really awesome because you don't have to put in the work. FlixPress will actually do everything for you. There are templates, and I'm going to show you different kinds of templates that you can use. So let's see. Let's do, for example, intro. So let's check, for example, here it's 12 seconds. Very simple. As you can see, very simple. Every word in the video you can edit it based on what you want to put in. So it's something that you can edit. These are like templates that you can actually edit according to how you want them to look. So they're really awesome, and this is the site that people are using to actually do these things. So there are different kinds of, for example, here we have one, maybe something for like a gaming type of channel. This is very cool. Where it says flixpress.com, you can put in your channel, then you can put in like your channel photo, your brand photo, and you can put a little text over here. It's very simple, very cool. So this is the website that they're actually using to actually promote over here. So basically they're going to say, hey, I'll create a cinematic trailer teaser brand promo video for you, and they can charge you $60. And what they'll do is basically go over here and then select maybe a nice template that they found, and then they can actually just choose a nice template based on your channel. Maybe it's a gaming channel. No matter the channel, they can just find something nice which they can use and actually just give to you, and you're gonna make a lot of money. So this is what I wanted to show you today. Basically, all you need is Fiverr, and what you need is flixpress.com. Very easy, very simple to do, and so many different promos that you can use. If you're doing an ad for someone, you just want to click on ads over here, then they're going to provide you with all different kinds of ads that you can choose from. For example, we have a lady here talking something over here. Let's see this one. As you can see, like where it says your logo, you put in your logo, you put in your short slogan here, you put in your website over here. So everything is just a template that you can use, and all the members here, you can have them in your video. And it's just really cool because people are always looking for these kind of stuff like ads and intros and outros. So you just want to come over onto FlixPress and you can get it sorted out for them. So if you don't already have an account with Fiverr, you just want to go and create an account. Very easy, and it's free to do. And over here on FlixPress as well, you'll need an account. So it's very simple. You can sign up with your Google account, or you can just sign up here, username, first name, last name, email address, password, and that's it. So that's what I wanted to show you today. It's really easy to do. The website here is flixpress.com. It's really awesome, and so many templates that you can use. And I hope that you enjoy yourself and make a lot of money from this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions whatsoever, just comment your questions down in the comment section below. Like this video if you haven't already. Please like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on all post notifications. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and please watch the rest of my videos. Cheers.